Hello, and welcome to our CropScan 4000 VT on Combined Grain Analyzer data export tutorial. In this video, we will explain the CropScan data flow, show you how to export raw data to a USB device, and then how to import the raw data to the CropScan Ag cloud. The raw data generated by the CropScan is stored on the internal hard drive. Data is then synced to the CropScan Ag cloud servers every time the grain tank is unloaded and the auger is extended and retracted back in. Data is also synced to the cloud when the rotor is disengaged and the CropScan goes into the non-active mode. An active license is required to view your data on the N-Gauge Harvest Manager and Nutrient Manager modules. CropScan 4000 VTs includes a 5-year subscription to the Harvest Manager module. The Nutrient Manager is an optional subscription. Follow these steps to export your data to a USB. To export data to a USB device, the operator will be required to insert the USB device to the NIR spectrometer USB port. Remove the dust cap for access and insert the USB. Select the data transfer icon to open the data transfer menu. Select the export data with the USB icon. Select the data type category and select CropScan data. The data will take roughly 30 seconds to export and save to the USB device. Once the data export process is completed, you can remove the USB from the NIR spectrometer USB port. To manually import your raw CropScan data to the CropScan Ag cloud, follow these steps. Log in to the CropScan Ag cloud portal. You can access this from our website cropscanag.com. Once logged in, select the Import and Sync button. This will take you to the CropScan Import tab. Select the year of the harvest data you wish to import and select the map.csv file option. The map files contain the relevant information for mapping GIS programs to read. Then press the green Import CropScan Data button. Browse your computer and find the folder containing the CropScan data files. Select an individual or multi-files to import. Press the green Upload button located at the bottom of the page to confirm the import. Wait for the Data Loading status bar to complete the import process. Once the import process is completed, you will be able to see the files stored in the File tab Calendar folders. To view your data on the N-Gauge app, please wait 10 to 30 minutes for map images to begin loading. Thank you for joining us, and find more CropScan tutorials at our website cropscanag.com.